Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If apps like Discord, WhatsApp, or other programs open automatically when you turn on your PC or laptop, you can easily stop them from launching on startup. In this video, I will show you how to stop apps opening automatically on your PC or laptop. First, right-click on the Start button. Now click on Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, go to the Startup Apps section. Here you will see a list of apps that start when your computer turns on. Look for apps like Discord, WhatsApp, or any app you do not want to open automatically. Right-click on the app and click Disable. Repeat this for all unnecessary apps. After disabling them, restart your PC or laptop. These apps will no longer open automatically on startup. This will also help improve your device performance and startup speed. That is how you stop apps opening automatically on your PC or laptop. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more PC and laptop troubleshooting tutorials.